Say hello to EVICTUS Advanced Suspension. EVICTUS suspension delivers uncompromising control, superior stability, and relentless traction across any terrain. It has improved handling on and off-road, and you can confidently conquer any terrain. It has digressive valving, which is less sway, more steering precision, 50mm rear lift eliminates your sag, and is perfect for fully loaded camper vans. EVICTUS suspension systems are engineered for ultimate performance, available in two distinct tiers, Advanced and Pre-Runner. Both tiers are designed to elevate the capabilities of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. The 2025 Storyteller Beast Mode is equipped with EVICTUS Advanced Suspension, while the Pre-Runner tier extends its off-road dominance to the Ineos Grenadier, Land Rover Defender, and Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. For those seeking even greater off-road dominance, the Pre-Runner upgrade is available at our aftermarket installers nationwide. There's no welding, no hassle, and most installs are completed in under a day. Engineered for precision, safety, and comfort, our suspension systems transform your ride, giving you the confidence to conquer any road, trail, or uncharted path with unmatched performance.